Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by inspecting the vehicle thoroughly and note mechanical, body, and interior issues. Photograph damage and create a single master checklist for parts and tasks. Estimate a realistic budget. For an easy restoration, plan approximately 000. Set a time estimate of about 20 hours for initial repairs and cleaning. Prioritize safety items first, like brakes, tires, lights, and fluid changes. Label parts as you remove them and store hardware in labeled bags for easy reassembly. Begin mechanical work with preventive fluid services and clear filter changes. Replace engine oil and filter, change transmission fluid, and top up coolant levels. Service the air filter and swap worn spark plugs to restore reliable starts. Inspect brakes and replace pads, check rotors for warping, and fit tires to about 32 psi. Test the charging system and replace the battery if voltage drops below 4 volts. Keep an organized parts list and receipt folder for warranty tracking. Tackle cosmetics with a focused cleaning and small repair strategy. Vacuum the interior thoroughly, shampoo fabric seats, and protect vinyl with conditioner for a refreshed look. Repair small dents using a suction puller or filler, then apply match spray paint in 2 thin coats. Replace worn weather strips and check seals for leaks around doors and windows. Perform a systems check and then a road test for about 15 to 20 miles. Fix any remaining items from your checklist and sign off on the completed restoration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.